A side hustle is a way to earn extra money outside of your main job. It can be anything from freelancing, starting a small business, offering services like tutoring or dog walking, selling handmade crafts, to doing gigs like driving for rideshare companies. Side hustles are a great way to explore your passions, develop new skills, and add some extra income to your bank account. Are you dreaming of earning extra cash without quitting your day job? Whether you're saving up for a vacation, looking to pay off debt, or simply want more financial freedom, side hustles can be an incredible way to boost your income. Here are 15 side hustles that can easily earn you $100 a day. 1. Freelance writing. If you have a way with words, freelance writing can be a lucrative side hustle. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect you with clients who need blog posts, articles, and web content. Set your rates, and with just a few articles a day, you can hit the $100 mark. 2. Ride-sharing. Drive for companies like Uber or Lyft during your free time. With peak hours, bonuses, and tips, hitting $100 a day is achievable. Plus, you set your own schedule. 3. Online tutoring. Share your knowledge and help students excel by tutoring online. Websites like VIPKid and Tutor.com offer opportunities for teaching subjects you are passionate about. 4. Graphic design. If you have an eye for design, offer your services to small businesses in need of logos, marketing materials, and social media graphics. Websites like 99 Designs and Dribble are great places to find clients. 5. Dog walking and pet sitting. Love animals? Get paid to walk dogs or pets sit in your neighborhood. Platforms like Rover and Wag connect you with pet owners in need of your services. 6. Virtual assistant. Help businesses manage tasks like scheduling, email correspondence, and social media management. Many businesses are looking for virtual assistants on sites like Belay and Time, etc. 7. Renting out your space. If you have a spare room or an unused property, list it on Airbnb. Even a few days of rental can bring in a significant amount of money. 8. Online surveys and market research. Participate in online surveys and get paid for your opinions. Websites like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie offer cash or gift cards for completing surveys. 9. Selling handmade crafts. Are you crafty? Sell your handmade items on platforms like Etsy. From jewelry to home decor, there's a market for unique, handcrafted products. 10. Social media management. Manage social media accounts for small businesses or influencers. Create engaging content, schedule posts, and interact with followers. Upwork and LinkedIn are good places to find clients. 11. Delivery services. Deliver food or groceries with apps like DoorDash, Instacart, or Postmates. With tips and peak hour bonuses, you can easily reach $100 a day. 12. Affiliate marketing. Promote products you love and earn a commission on sales through affiliate marketing. Use your blog, YouTube channel, or social media to share affiliate links. 13. Online course creation. Create and sell online courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Share your expertise in any field, from cooking to coding, and earn passive income. 14. Photography. If you have a knack for photography, sell your photos to stock photo websites like Shutterstock or Getty Images. You can also offer your services for events and portraits. 15. House cleaning. Offer cleaning services to busy professionals or families in your area. Platforms like TaskRabbit can help you find clients who need regular cleaning services. These side hustles offer flexibility, the potential to earn $100 a day, and an opportunity to explore your passions. Whether you're working from home or on the go, there's a side hustle for everyone. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring ideas and tips to help you thrive.